Welcome to Trusted Maritime Recruiting. Safety Reviewer. Always remember, safety first is a rule. Reliability, accuracy, and efficiency. Help, protection, and care. Part 1. 1. Emergency signal. 7 or more short blasts, followed by one long blast from the ship's whistle, supplemented by the same signal on the general alarm bells. A. For crew, proceed to your emergency station written on your crew station card. B. For passengers, they are proceeding to their respective muster stations. 2. Lifeboat and life raft station signal. One long blast from the ship's whistle, supplemented by the same signal on the general alarm bells. One long blast. 3. Abandoned ship signal. Master's voice through the PA system saying abandoned ship, or by his messenger. 4. Mr. Skylight, and the location fire or damage to the ship. For Mr. Skylight groups only. Crew members assigned to the Mr. Skylight groups will proceed to their stations, Command Center, Fire Squad Number 1, Number 2, Number 3, Number 4, Number 5, FG5 is also a search and rescue group, Engine Control Group, Central Group, where the handicap team is located, Stairway Guide, Boat, and Raft Preparation Groups, Medical, First Aid, Group, Closing Group, and Quick Response Group. 5. 3 long blasts. On the ship's whistle and announcement, Mr. Mob to port, or starboard side bridge wing for man overboard. 6. What do you do when you see a man overboard? 1. Throw the nearest life ring to the sea. 2. Inform the bridge by A. Phone, calling the bridge, on the telephone number which is assigned to the ship, for example, my safety number is 107, man overboard, and the location port or starboard side. B. Shouting by saying, man overboard port or starboard side. C. Sending messenger to the bridge. 3. Keep an eye on the person at all times. 7. Emergency codes on board, announced through the PA systems. 1. Announcement Mr. Skylight and location for fire or damage. 2. Announcement code blue and the location for medical emergency. 3. Announcement code Alpha 2, location for environmental pollution. 4. Announcement code Charlie for bomb threat or any criminal act. 8. What are the telephone number to the bridge? Emergency telephone number, alternative telephone number, and reception desk emergency telephone number, depend on the ship you are in. Every ship has its own assigned telephone numbers. 9. What do you do when you hear the signal of an emergency? Pay attention to the announcement about the type and the location of the emergency. Then go to your cabin to get your warm clothing, and proceed to your emergency station. Avoid passing through the emergency area, which is announced through the public address system. 10. What do you do when you see a small fire? Extinguish the fire with an appropriate extinguisher or any other means. Inform the bridge by phone, and wait for the safety officer at the scene for investigation. Example when calling the bridge, my safety number is 107, a small fire in the main galley. 11. What do you do when you see a big fire or smoke? 1. Inform bridge, by phone, explain clearly the location, or activate the nearest manual call point by breaking the glass. An example when calling the bridge, my safety number is 107, there is a big fire in the main galley. 2. Evacuate, to evacuate everyone out of the affected area. 3. Secure, to close all the fire screen doors, FSD, or watertight doors, WTD, around the area. to avoid the spread of smoke and fire. 4. Prepare, to prepare the nearest fire hoses and the fire extinguishers for the fire squads. 12. What kind of portable fire extinguishers are on board? 1. Dry chemicals or ABC, small, A-class, material. B-class, liquid, oil, paint, gasoline, grease, etc. C-class, electrical appliances, electronic equipment, etc. 2. CO2, electrical fire, liquid fire, big round nozzles. Please give us a like, click on subscribe, share our videos, and wait for our coming ones.